Understanding celebrated figure, a deep dive into language and meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a fascinating phrase, celebrated figure. Understanding phrases like this can not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of the English language. So, let's dive in and discover what it truly means to be a celebrated figure. The term, celebrated figure, refers to a person who is widely recognized and highly respected for their achievements or contributions in a specific field or society at large. The word, celebrated, comes from the verb, celebrate, which means to acknowledge or honor someone or something with great enthusiasm and reverence. Therefore, a celebrated figure is someone who is admired and honored by many people. To understand the concept better, let's look at some examples of celebrated figures. Albert Einstein, a theoretical physicist, is celebrated for his contributions to the science of physics, especially for his theory of relativity. Mother Teresa, known for her charitable work and dedication to the poor, is another celebrated figure who has left a significant impact on the world. William Shakespeare, often called England's national poet, is celebrated for his remarkable contribution to English literature. These individuals are celebrated not just for their skills or contributions but for the lasting impact they have had on the world. Celebrating figures is important for several reasons. It acknowledges their contributions, serves as an inspiration to others, and helps to preserve their legacy for future generations. By celebrating these figures, we learn about our history, culture, and the possibilities of human achievement. Now that we understand what a celebrated figure is, let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. Nelson Mandela is a celebrated figure in the fight against apartheid and for his role in promoting peace and reconciliation. Marie Curie, a celebrated figure in the field of chemistry and physics, was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Using the phrase in sentences like these helps convey respect and admiration for the individual's achievements. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning of celebrated figure. Remember, celebrated figures are all around us, from historical icons to modern-day heroes. Their stories and achievements enrich our understanding of excellence and inspire us to achieve greatness in our own lives. We hope this video has been informative and enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.